Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Explorer windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades, making sure they are the correct size for your Ford Explorer. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back down unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against the windshield, as this could cause damage. Dispose of the old blades responsibly. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using the washer fluid. Ensure they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly without streaking or chattering. You're all set for clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.